Hello, grade 1 student. Welcome to the second term. In this video, we will discuss making sound, the first chapter on your student book 1B. Let's start now. Humans making sound by singing, laughing, talking, screaming, and crying. We can use parts of our body to make a sound. First, mouth. Mouth used to talk, sing, cry, and scream. Our hands. We can use our hands to make sound, for example, by clapping and snapping. And then our feet. We can use our feet to stomp. Animals are also making sounds to communicate and warn of danger. For example, meerkat, squeak, elephant, trumpet, lion, roar, cow, moo, and cat, meow. Living things that can produce sounds are human and animals. And non-living things that can produce sounds are doorbell, bicycle bell, TV, radio, mobile phone, train, bus, airplane, and siren. Now we talk about the use of sounds. Number 1, to alert us to danger. Number 2, to get attention. Number 3, to communicate. Number 4, to make us happy. Sounds travel into our ears, so we can hear sounds by our ears. There are two kinds of sounds. The first, soft sound, and the second is loud sound or hard sound. The example of soft sounds are water flowing in a stream in the river. Number 2, bird or insect sound. Number 3, bike. Number 4, whisper. Loud sound or hard sound. Number 1, a man drilling the road. Number 2, animal sounds like wolf, elephant, and lion. Number 3, airplane, bus, and train. Number 4, scream and cry. The sound changes as we move. When we are close to the source of sound, for example, radio, the sounds are loud, and we far away from the source of sound, radio, for example, the sound are soft. So the clue, when we close, the sound are loud, and we far away, the sounds are soft. I hope this video will help you understand more about making sound. Selalu saya ingatkan untuk mencegah virus corona, mari kita melakukan 5M. Mencuci tangan, memakai masker, menjaga jarak, menghindari kerumunan, dan makan makanan yang sehat dan bergizi. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.
Puja puja bangsa.